The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone had a great night. Ready for a great day. Give me about 3 more minutes and I'll be with you. Okay, I think we're good now. Let me just bring up the chat because I don't have that up. And I gotta pin that. But eventually we'll get there. Wait, it says restore chat? Did I already pop it out? No. There we go. Am I here? Yes, I sound out of breath. I'll be fine in a minute. Multiple disasters this morning. Mouse hit the floor, batteries went all over the place. Okay, let me get my music started. Hey, JC, how you doing? Okay, there's music. Yay. Okay. There we go. We are good to rock and roll. Yay. Okay. Mark is falling. I'm doing all right. Want to catch my breath? So overnight, I think we're there. Yeah, we're not at the overnight lows on NQ yet, but we're getting close. High 16,013, low 949, so about 64 points of range there. ES high was 45.64, low just now 45.48. It's about 16 points of range. Copper, whoa, look at copper exploding here. About 70 ticks in range there. Gold, well above 2000s, dipping a little here, about 6 points in range. Ultra Bond making a new daily low. And we're about 3/4 of a point in range there. Crude oil, almost got to 76, about 150 ticks of range. And natural gas, looking sideways. Bitcoin hanging right about 37K. See, you just missed this purple candle here. We've been a good win. Things are moving pretty good. Let's see what news we have. U.S. Case-Shiller year over year comes up at 9, as well as the U.S. House Price Index. Then at 10 o'clock, the one marked in red, U.S. CV Consumer Confidence. And we also have 2 Fed speakers at 10. So there we go. Now we're caught up. I can take a breath. Hey Brooks, how you doing? AVAX. Since they're just falling here and I missed getting in that channel, let's check whatever AVAX is. AVAX. What is AVAX? What, not coming up on my... Oh, it's crypto. Duh. That's right. I forgot. You're the crypto guy, not the stock guy. Avalanche. I assume that's the one I want. Never heard of it before. It's worth 20 bucks. Interesting. So when it really goes short, do you yell avalanche? Oh, sorry. Wow, it used to be up around 140, 150. How you doing, Sid? Okay. Now we'll settle in for a long winter's day of trading. And hopefully out on the market we'll hear such a clatter that we'll spring to our PCs to see what was the matter. It sounds like he got caught up in an avalanche chase. That one wrote itself. Uh, Mind your folks, the Bolinox and the Apex 90% sales end tonight. And if you are to believe Apex, and don't know if you want to believe them or not, but this is what they're saying. It's going to be their last 90% sale for a long time. And since Bolinox only does 90% sales to match Apex, the theory would be is that it's the last Bolinox 90% sale for a long time. Now, is it true or is it not true? I don't know. I'm starting to get the feeling that there's some belt tightening in the industry. You're seeing trade day add fees. You're seeing less aggressive sales from places like Blue Sky and such. So I'm not sure if if it's just nothing or if we're seeing some belt tightening for whatever reason in the industry. So I don't know if you all want. I'm not trying to do some sort of weird scare tactic to get more sales. Just a thought that's been rumbling in my mind since I've been seeing this kind of all come together. Remember, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or you expect to enjoy the stream, I'd love if you hit that thumbs up for me. The YouTube algorithm knows you like me. Crude. Whoa! What the heck? What just happened on crude? That's a 60 tick candle. 70 tick candle. I'm not seeing any news popping right now. Backtrack some, but dropped a total of 71 ticks from the high to the low. It's pulling back up a little bit, but whoasies. Nothing's popping up on financial juice. Nothing on the calendar about anything. So I don't know what just caused that crash. That was an oil avalanche. Hey Phoenix, how you doing? NQ bouncing a little bit here. Oh, there we go. OPEC talks are difficult. A further delay in the meeting is possible. Policy rollover is a possibility. That is what just caused the quick crash on oil. Well, I mean, Phoenix, here's the thing. I don't think they're going to do 90% again for a long time. Right now, it's still 75% off. I don't think you're going to see 9 because Apex has said, whether you believe them or not, Apex has said this is going to be their last 90% sale for a while. And Bowenox only does 90% when they're matching Apex. We got down to 945. We popped up, back up by 14 points here. No, that's not right. Yeah, that's right. So I mean, and like you said, the last night, the Volanox for the 50K, is 43.75. It's 75% off. At that point, it's a toss up of whether you want to do Volanox or Topstep, because the Topstep's only like $5 more. This is a nice little bounce here. There's scam DWT. There's reports all over that they find ways to not pay out. Earn Max is a scam. I believe CFT may have even done a video about them once, but I think he then took it down because he doesn't like to talk negative. But they are just to stay away from. They're ridiculously cheap because they're a scam. Thank you. Let me go clean that up. It's hard to. Well, let's see. I did it. Wait, where? Phoenix on. Oh, on the link tree. Wait, where are you seeing that, Phoenix? Oh, oh, thank you, Nightbot. Okay, got links all around. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Go fix that right now. Volanox. I wonder how I did that. Matter of fact, that's been running now for a while. Crap. Really? Wait. Really? No. That's right. Oh, okay, okay. I know what we're talking about now. Wow, way too many places that I have links. Confused my darn self. Thank you, thank you. Just fix that. Wonder how I did that. Need to hire a social media person. By hiring means I need to get someone to volunteer. There we go. Thank you. That's been changed. So we did pop up here, got down to 945, back up to 967, so about a 22-point pop. We've got some momentum here in the early morning. Faster morning than we've seen in a while. So just nice rebound. Real quick down move, right back up. Crude still falling. New low a day. Ultra Bond missed its open. Ooh, nice candle there. Oh yeah, that would have been a beautiful. Actually, I mean, over the last hour, two beautiful candles. There to ride down and there to ride back up. Low, ride, der. Gold, new low day, and then bounce big. Copper falling. And meanwhile, I missed this NQ long, so it just kind of went without me. We'll get the next one. Always another one. Okay. Glad I didn't take that long there at the break of the 20. Let's see what it does here. How is everybody today? Hey, Darren? Oh, yeah, I agree. That's why I do say it with a caveat. So, yeah. It could just be to make people feel FOMO, to grab a whole bunch to have a whole, get a whole bunch of people in the last day. But, we will see. Because, like I said, it does appear, at least a little bit, like there's some belt tightening in the industry. Whether it's just all coincidence, I don't know. Hey, John, how you doing? Could be a scare tactic. It could be truthful. I think we'll get an indication by whether they go back down to 50%, because they never have since their launch. It's always been at least 50%, or if they go to 70% like they have been doing. My thought is, I mean, with Topstep keeping their prices where they are, at least they haven't mentioned going back to their regular prices. I think Apex is going to try and keep their prices around Topsteps. Yeah, it was a quick fall there. I wish I had helped drive the knife down, but I was delayed. 5 minute gave me a beautiful blue candle there that I should have taken. It was beautiful, beautiful. Blue candle right below that 100 EMA. So now we wait for our next opportunity. Oh, nice bounce on crude. Sitting around 15,978. Kind of holding pattern. We see where we want to go. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Sideways. Ultra bond getting back up to its high day. Crude oil just kind of hanging around. Wow. Look at that gold bounce. That would have been nice to grab. That said, I mean, this candle here is kind of a trigger for me. You know, green candle, totally outside the bands. But the wicks on both sides of that would have made me hesitate even if I had been looking at it. Hmm. Is TradingView still on the old contract? I I always lose track of when contracts roll besides the indices. Well, let's take a gander. UBH 2024. It's at 122.16. Yeah, I'll, easy for me to say. Yes, it's still on the old contract. Let's take a gander at volume. I can add volume real quick. Let's see, last candle, 15-minute candle had 4.45K of volume. Let's see what the new contract has. So first of all, let's go to a 15-minute chart. So oops, wrong. Playing with Apple there instead. Let's go to 15 and let's add volume. Volume 3.22K, so still less volume on the March by about 33% less if my math is right. Can't guarantee my math is right, but it is less. Like I do know 4,000 is more than 3,000, so that I can guarantee. Unless they screwed that up with Common Core, I don't know. Yes, pulling back here. Purple candle on that 5-minute chart. Not looking to short there because we're well above the signal line on the RSI. Did you get your bean screen replaced, JC? Or set up or whatever? I know you said you took it back, so did you get it set up? Awesome. Now I gotta watch 2 different Ultra Bonds. Ah, blue candle. A blue candle. Bumping up against that 100 EMA. Trying to break it. Will it bump it or will it shy away from it? Blue candle right below that EMA, which gives me pause. I'm backing out. Let me look at what the one. Yeah, it's kind of right up against the Bollinger there on the one, so we'll see what happens. 5 minute, giving me that same kind of blue candle. About 45 minutes till the bell. Do have a tiny bit of news at the top of the hour. Case shower. I always forget what that even is. People shouldn't shill their cases. Murder was the case that they shilled me. I don't know. I'm sorry. No idea what that was. Never know what's going to come out of my mouth. I'm not sure I have anything that gives me level 2 data anymore, actually. I was doing Blue Sky, but 1800? Wow. Think it was a spoof order, like it wasn't real? Just kind of hanging here. I was right to not take that blue candle going into that 100 EMA. Excellent job, JC. I forget what. There it is. Oh, yeah, nice. That'll be a trigger down for me right there. Let's see. Beautiful bounce there. Beautiful. ES that's an interesting pattern there. Purple, blue, purple. Whoa! Look at gold. Just hit 2022. Let's see. It's the highest we've been on gold since May 16th, my mother's birthday. Last time we were that high on gold. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Thank you for saying that, Crypticon. I value everybody here, and I value you very much, Crypt. Kind of hanging around 15,978 area here. Sandwich between the 20 and the 100 EMAs. We have a candle sandwich. Again, reminder, Bowenox and Apex 90% sales ending tonight. If you want to get any of those 90% deals, now is the time. Hey, Texas, how you doing? Anyone wants to do the price comparisons between the props? All of the price comparison sheets for the 50K, the 100K, and the 150K are updated on the Discord. As we head toward the top of the hour, so again, who's trying to wants to try and break through that 100 EMA, but can it? This is the drama we're watching, folks. Can it break that 100 EMA? How's the trading been going, Texas? Everyone got so quiet all of a sudden. Quiet befalls the chat. There we go. Hey, no problem. Actually, it's thanks to the guy named Shade there on the Discord. It's actually pretty easy to update all of them. The biggest time is the copy and pasting. Taking the screenshot and then pasting them into the thing. But yeah, added the 100K as well. So I don't think we'll need to do any others, but I do plan on putting other comparison things that aren't price on there, like I don't know, daily loss limits and other attributes of the various props offerings. Whole bunch of things I want to do, just need to find the time to do them. Awesome, thank you very, very much. I appreciate that. Another blue candle here right before the top of the hour. Was I going to do a video for... good question. It wasn't on my agenda, but maybe I need to do a video just to update that we're now tracking 3 sizes instead of just one. Maybe I can do that this weekend. My biggest problem with video is making up the graphics for them, and it takes time. But yeah, I could do a quick video on that. Probably the weekend, during the weekend. Reminder that my funded futures giveaway ends tomorrow. We'll be announcing the winner live on stream tomorrow. Get in on it if you want to try and get a 50K account from my funded futures. You can pick between Tradovate or Rhythmic. Still struggling with that 100 EMA. Because we're not sure about it, I'm going to go with 5 micros if this stays blue. So you think it's UB is not to be touched until the rollover's complete? Nice. Dead horse? I'm not sure I've heard that one before. So we're long 5 micros. It's immediately not looking. Oh wait, there we go. It's bottom right hand corner. If you want to watch the trade. I don't have a stop on it. I do. Where's the stop? Where do I want the stop? The stop I want 1980. Good year. Oh, there we go. There's a nice. Oh, you can't do that. Okay. There's my stop. Move that up to 80. Come on, push up for me. Those words out of the way. There we go. Come on. There we go. That's a nice move up to 90. I'm in at 86 even. What's our ATR? 6. Ooh, right back down. Ouch. That hurts. Should have took the 50 bucks. So, not a clean break here. It looks like it might come down and stop me out. Let's see. Yep. Wow. So that was a quick reversal there. So with the loss I took last night during the stream, we're now down $100 on the trading day on the Topstep account. So ouch. So it looked like it wanted to break, and then it pushed up by about 4 points. I thought it was going to continue, and it just dropped like a rock. Thus, I'm glad I took it on the micros instead of the mini. That's why I did take it on the micros instead of the mini. Oh, good job, John. A purple candle, technically it's a trigger on here on the 3. It's below both the EMAs, below the signal line. I didn't take it. Hey, how's it going? So did you take any more trades after stream yesterday? Absolutely. I'm glad to hear that. Uh, I was down like $44 on Topstep, I but up I was up $75 on Apex. Uh, 50K accounts. And Q popping back up after that quick drop. We are about 22 minutes from the bell. One loss so far this morning. Yeah. I think it does usually move the market some, not to the same degree as the big ones. But yeah, it does move the market some. Depending on the numbers, of course. We actually have a bunch of news tomorrow, a bunch of news Thursday, and of course Friday. Friday is no, it's not. I thought Friday was non-farm payrolls. Apparently, it's not Friday. Apparently, it's the following Friday. Yeah, December 8th instead of December 1st. So no NFP this weekend. This Friday. That's why I say weekend. They start releasing on the weekend. That'll really be something for the opening on Sundays, huh? Look at this ES chart down here. You can see how we're going nowhere. Purple, blue, purple, green, green, purple, blue. Right now, the market gave us good opportunities early on, but now it's like, bleh. What did crude do when it's open? So crude got easy for me to say. Crude got that entire move down back. Nice. Move back up. Ultra bonds all wonky. Gold rising back up, made another new high day. High since May. Sid Chase, you still here? Where are you seeing gold going? Please hold for the next available operator. No hurry, Sid. I wasn't trying to put you on the spot. I know you like do 10,000 things at once over there. Last night he ate 2 pieces of pie during the evening stream. Yeah, okay. No hurry, Sid. Didn't mean to. Kind of like surprised that he's in a meeting and still listening to me. True. Very true. We are doing nothing here. Dollar's falling. Hey, Burrow. How are you? Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream, I would appreciate you hitting that thumbs up button. Smash it. Break it. Destroy it. Let YouTube know that MightyOxTrading is the one for you. Cold and tired. Did you upset your wife and she made you sleep outside last night? I woke up on the wrong side of the truck bed this morning. Oh, little hearty for you. Yep. Morning, Ace. How are you doing? Trash out? Yes, here at MightyOxTrading, we also offer trash reminder services to put your trash out. Oh no, that's not good, Ace. I was just gonna ask you gonna call in sick? All right. Sid thinks gold's going up to 2087. It's very true, Ace. About 10 minutes from the bell. Little drop here. Tried to come back up after that quick drop. Did not work. Now it's just kind of band bouncing. Yep. Wow, we're already up to 2026 here. Another new high day on gold. Wow, Sid. That's amazing. Great job on that. So, Sid, do you plan on selling if it gets up to that level, or do you just continue to hold? Ultra bot down to its low day. Copper. Ooh, copper's running with gold. It's better than running with scissors. Crude oil's going sideways. Natural gas falling. Nice. Awesome. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Do you have a You just letting silver follow gold, or do you have a level for silver that you're watching as well? Yep, base. I personally have a wad of aluminum foil that I hope will be worth something in a few years. Cool. Not far away from 25. All right. Ooh, gold again. New high day. Up to 2029. Might get to that 2087 today. We are less than 5 minutes till the bell. Going long on beans, huh? Let's look at beans. All right, so you expected to drop down to 1333 and then go long? All right. I kind of like that. Yeah, I was going to do that too. I was hoping someone else would do it though. Now, Ace, you don't still go running on days you're not feeling well, do you? Oh, Walmart employee signs off after 10 years in viral video becomes TikTok sensation. Meanwhile, we are about 30 seconds till the bell. Thank you for bringing that story to our attention. I hadn't seen that, but it's a pretty cool story. Ding, 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 ding. Well, that's not an explosive open. Now we're getting a little bit of momentum up. Breaks that 100 EMA. Up about 9 points. Nope, bounces off the 100 EMA. Back up, back down. Everybody look what's going around. Now we're up 11 points. Dow going up. ES going up. Nope, pulling back. Gaining momentum up about 16. 18. Yep. And bouncing back down. Well, uneventful. I should open here. Ooh, that's a red candle now. That's interesting. Nope, no longer a red candle. Market seems confused. Well, maybe the confusion's over. Wow, bursting up here. 23 points. Dow pulling back. ES pulling back. Nope, still confused. Is giving NQ's giving it all back. Yeah, not all. Okay, there we go. It's trying again. Got back above 16,000. Let's see if it can hold it. Gold still hanging in there at the top. Ultra bond bouncing. Crude oil trying to sight where it wants to go in life. NQ up to 16,006, 007. And pulling back. Trying to give it all back. Or at least all that whole candle, 3-minute candle there. And Q's red on the 5. Choppy open. I mean, NQ did go up 20, 25 points, but ES is undecided. Dow's undecided. And Q's rising back up now. Uh, wow. JC, did it miss your entry by a tick? Corn's falling. Soybean oil is going wild. Did I say JC or did I say Ace? JC is who I meant on that soybean trade. NQ pulling back. Okay, that whole candle back. Now purple. 1-minute chart went wonderful there. Could have got a quick 10-pointer, but it's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Back down to that 100 EMA. Whether it's going to break or not, I don't know. These are the questions we ask ourselves. Remember, we have news coming up at the top of the hour, U.S. consumer confidence. Wow, corn, just big drop. Soybean oil, big move up. And 99% of the people are yelling, we don't care about agriculture. This is not fun charts to trade right now. Yeah, I was looking at that. Seems like it's popping up there. Came back down, got within 2 ticks for you, but never got all the way down. Minku's trying to bounce a little bit here, but not really seeing that on ES or the Dow. Where are we gonna go? I don't know where we're going. We know where we've been. Oh, there's a break of the 20 and the 100. 90 seconds left on this candle. If it holds, we'll take it short. Up. Here comes Beans back down for you, JC. Big drop here. This is a 20-point candle. This is where I regret using a 3-minute versus a 1-minute chart. 1-minute chart, let's look at that. Right there was the break, and I would already be in that trade. That's why I go back and forth. A big candle now. Short. Up, it's bouncing back up. Afraid of that. Stopped out. I shouldn't have taken that trade. Damn it. It went from band to EMA. I always tell myself not to grab that, but I thought it was going to bend down, and it didn't. Bounced back up to that 100 EMA. Down. So I didn't follow my. Let's see what happens here. I did not follow my right strategy. My strategy should have been stop at the top of that purple candle. Instead, I went with a 10-pointer. This might have cost me this trade. Should have went with micros and went with the bigger stop. We'll see. And maybe not. We'll see what happens. Big rise up there on the ES. Mind there, we got news in about 12 minutes. Whoa! Well, soybeans just exploded up. Exploding soybeans would probably be messy. Crude, still unsure what it wants to do with life. Ultra bond bouncing back up. Gold came down a little, but now it's trying to come back up. Okay, so I would have got stopped out either way. So using the 10-point stop there, I ended up being the better of the two options. Interesting balance. I just don't trust it right now. Looking at the 1 minute chart here, I would have had a clear short here. That would have been good. This blue candle here, wouldn't have liked that wick. So I probably wouldn't have taken that if I was still working. Hey, look at all these wicks on these 1 minute candles. I mean, those are just weird price action so far since the open. Weird, weird, weird. They're coming back down. Back down. My audio just cut out. There we go. It's back. My audio is cut out again. Took a late short off this candle on 5 micros here. Let's see if it continues down. Doesn't look like it. Might just be a disaster of a day. Come on, give me a little something. Something, something. Yep, bouncing on me. Yeah, maybe. Come on down. Like I said, I was late by like 3 points. There we go. Now we're getting a little bit of momentum. Come on. Drop, drop like it's hot. Wouldn't mind if it got back down to where this candle got down to, 962. Yep. I'll even put my target there. 963 half. Fighting around 968. Back up to my entry. Quick dip. It's taking quick dips and then rocketing right back up. Looks like I'm not going to get it. Maybe. Come on. Come on. 63. There we go. Target hit. Just as I say, I'm not going to get it. So that was a small win there. It wasn't much, but got about 50, 60 bucks back on that. 67.50. There we go. So I'll take that as it continues to drop now. I could have went for the full 10. Gold double topping around 2029. Crude oil, not sure where it wants to go. Another bounce. News in less than 5. So flat we will be, flat we will stay. How's your trading going today, John? Did you take anything? Nice, John. Excellent, John. Excellent. News in a little over 30 seconds. Start spreading the news. You're still green though, so that's good. Okay, so far that news was not earth-shattering. We do have two Fed speakers speaking. USCV consumer confidence 102. They expect it 101. Yep. Hits that 100 EMA, bounces back down. Dow coming down, but looks like easy for me to say. ES and NQ popping up. Strong candle up now, trying to break back through that 100 EMA. Trying to break up. Breaking up is hard to do. 15,982. There we go. That's a break of the 20. I'm sorry, break of the 100. Let's see if it. Ooh, wow. Big move up. Oh, there goes that move. Let's see. Interesting. Overnight highs was 16,014. We're hanging around 16,000. Nice, JC. Oh wait, that was on the new one. Ah, nice little burst up there. Still rising. Rising up. Trying to stay above 16,000. That's a great question. I have used a copy trader on Tradovate with Topstep. I have not tried to take a trade on um, Tradovate. So, I mean, on TradingView, sorry. So let me try. Let's play with a micro real quick. So I remember how to do this. There we go. We need 2. In my opinion, yes. I would put Topstep at number 1. No, I want a market order. So what happens, guys? All right, JC. Talk to you tomorrow, my friend. Okay, I'm in the trade. I can't tell whether I'm in on both accounts or not. Once I'm out of the trade, I'll look on the trade log to see if it did it on both. But this trade's actually working out, and well, let's get out there. So, okay, so we're out of that trade. Let's see if it did it on both accounts. There, that's the one, yeah. Okay, let's check the other account. Turn this off. Boom. No, it only did it on the one account. So apparently, no. The answer to that is, John, it only did it on the account that's on TradingView. So the copier only works if you're entering the order through Tradovate itself. And wow, I got out of that trade just at the right time. No problem, John. I was curious myself what you asked to see, if that would work. Just a reminder, the 90% sales at Apex and Volanox end tonight. And if you want to believe them, Apex says this will be their last 90% sale for a while. And since Volanox pretty much only does 90% to price match Apex, it means it could be their last 90% sale for a while. So if you want some 90% offs, you should grab them now. Be interested to see how long is a while in Apex's mind. Be interesting to see if they go like without doing a 90% for Christmas. Yeah, I mean, it would have been nice if it would, but yeah. Now we need to convince TradingView to add a trade copier. Now, the interesting thing is Apex launched their updated version of their own trade copier yesterday, and supposedly that works on both Tradovate and Rhythmic. But I wonder if it's all through NinjaTrader. I didn't watch the video on it. Yeah, give me a second. Oh yeah, it's works on NinjaTrader only. But I mean, Tradovate now works on NinjaTrader, which is why they're saying that. So, but apparently it's only for NinjaTrader. Here's the video if you still want to watch, though, John. Whoa, that's a big URL. It's not gonna let me. Nope, that URL's too big. Hold on one second. Why is that URL so big? Let me try that. Yeah, Apex Investing Institute. No, well, yeah, I'm sorry. No, no, no. Yeah. Yeah, NinjaTrader bought out Tradovate like last year, early last year. Well, I can't get that. So they screwed up the link. Shocker. Let's try this. To copy the URL. No. There. Let's try that. There we go. So here's the link. Somewhere on there, there's the video. Not sure where, but it's there somewhere. Meanwhile, blue candle there, but they were just kind of chopping around here, so I didn't want to trust it. It would have went almost 10 points. Well, we're back to being kind of sideways here again. Could not sustain 16,000. Yes, not interesting bounce there, but very choppy. Today was choppier than yesterday, in my opinion. What did the Russell do today? Didn't see Philip. Ooh, wow, look at that big move down on the Russell, then nice bounce back up. Lean Hogs having a day. Not sure why that chart's even there. Crude oil sold chave. Ultra bond on the old contract, kind of chave. Gold, kind of sideways now that it got up to like 2029.3 and couldn't get above there. And you see copper made another new high day before pulling back. Agriculture, soybeans just took off. So, JC had the right idea on soybeans there, just never came down to the price he wanted before blowing up. Wheat and corn not having a good day. That blue candle would have worked. Just how did I know that? There's no way to know that. Not without being a psychic. And I'm not a psychic, unfortunately. One day maybe I'll be a psychic. No, I'm kidding. I have no idea. I'm just rambling here. I'm a rambling man. Okay. Rising up, trying to break back through 16,000 again. Tried here, got above it, then immediately got knocked back down. Tried here, got barely above it, got knocked back down. Trying a third time is the third time the charm. You know, Crypt, I always think that if a psychic was really that good, they would just keep it to themselves and be billionaires for being able to hit the lottery or, you know, make winning trades. All right. How's your Avalanche doing, Brooks? Guess I could look at that myself. If I remember which. There it is. Right now, Avalanche is mountain climbing. Nope, again. AQ sniffed 16,000 and didn't like the smell. Pulls back. Yeah, he supports me so well. He is such an awesome guy. still blows my mind, honestly. Is it going to try again? Another blue candle here trying to tempt me. It's trying to tempt me. It is a temptress. Yeah. I think we're going to take a long here for a break of 16,000 if it holds here 45 seconds. It's pulling back here in the last 2 seconds, so maybe not. Wow, got beat back down again. It's trying to... Nope. Candle, wall of blue candle, more wick than body. So we did not take it. Wow. So apparently uProfit's new Discord server got hacked last night. And it's gone. uProfit, the prop firm, they launched a Discord server a couple weeks ago. And apparently got hacked last night and it's gone. Yeah, someone screenshotted what they were seeing. They put it up on the MightyOxTrading Discord. it was like there were 9,000 notifications all saying I troll your server now, and then it was gone. It's a little scary. I don't know if that means that they just had terrible security on it, or if that's going to mean that there's other discords are in trouble, or if they just tick somebody off. We're just choppy here, waiting for some sort of direction. Market slowed down early today. Whoa, but crude just blew up. Just watching, waiting, hoping, praying for something. How's everyone else doing today? Green, red, yellow? There's nothing going on here. We have about 25 minutes left in the stream. Crypticon, are you streaming today? It's because you're not really like advertising anywhere, and you're on a platform that almost nobody heard of. Excellent. Congratulations, Crypticon. So, yeah, it's a nice blue candle up. Looks like we're trying to break through 16,000 now. Yeah, absolutely, John. I agree. I probably should have taken that blue candle. It kind of got lulled to sleep. I've seen my fund at FX mention blueberry markets. What exactly is blueberry markets? Wow. And all of a sudden blows up, John. New high a day. Figures the one I didn't pay attention to that one blue candle, and that was my could have been my trade of the day. Yep, it was just waiting for us, John. Waiting for me not to pay attention and you to shut down. Look at that. 26 points on that candle. Absolutely. Totally agree, John. So it's just out of the blue. Let me go check see if there was some sort of news catalyst to that. Aha! Fed speaker. Fed's Waller says if inflation consistently declines, there's no reason to insist that rates remain really high. There's good economic arguments that if inflation continues falling for several more months, you could lower policy rate. Fed speaker did that. Look at the Dow rising up 118 there. We need to become friends with Fed speakers and get to see their speeches beforehand. Just kidding, folks, that we're not really going to try insider trading. Last reminder, the Apex and Bullinox 90% sales end at tonight at midnight. Grab them while you can. Don't know when they'll be back. And Q continuing to rise up here. So yesterday's high, I don't think it's going to get up there. Yesterday's high was 16,089. Look at the Dow. Dow is flying high. Holy wow. Let's pull that chart up a minute. Boom. I blew up the wrong chart. So we're at a spot on the Dow we have not seen since August. Pulls back a little bit now. Let's check that 1 minute chart. Do we want to dare try? Maybe not. Let's see what it does. Nope. Not falling quick. Ooh, now it's a purple candle I can get behind. 15 points back down. 18, 20. This would have been the 1 minute chart that I should have followed. Look at that. Boom. But we'll take it. Ooh, it's really pulling back here as this candle closes. We're short. Why is it not showing up? I took it on the wrong account. That's why it's not showing up. There we go. Came down, then pulled back up. Now it's coming back down. Nope. Not getting the momentum to the downside like I thought it would. There we go. Now we're getting some momentum. Nope. There we go. 5 points. Yep, back up. That's disappointing. Doesn't want to get back below 16,025. And there we go. It's 20. Well, it was 24. Now back up to 26. Starting to drop now. My target's sitting at 16. Wow, quick bounce right back up off of 22, back up to 26. There we go, back down to 22. Twenty-two seems to be a sticking point for some reason. Now there's 21, there's 20. Oh, back up to 22. Back up to 24. See how jittery NQ is. It's 21. Took it off the table there. I felt like it might pop back up. So we got $110 profit on that. Well, it's a good trade to end the day with. We have 5 more minutes, but get to see whether or not I got out. Yeah, I got out too soon, as usual. It would have went to my target. Yeah, it just hit my target. But that's okay. Oh wow. So it just dropped 16,000. So I got out at 23 and it just dropped another 20 points. And that's part of my problem. But working on it. Last reminder, folks, if you want to grab those 90% sales, I know I've harped on it all day. Don't really know if I needed to harp on it all day. Whether or not to be back soon or might not be back for a while. So it dipped all the way down to 15,993. Trying to bounce a little bit here. Are we having fun? Wasn't a bad day. I hope everyone had a great day today, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. 2 streams tomorrow, also an evening stream for at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Have a great day, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye. If you enjoyed today's live stream, remember we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X. where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.